In this video, we are going to make quick and easy healthy breakfast recipes. First up, we'll make the classic upma. Let's get started. In a pan with oil, add mustard seeds, curry leaves and dried red chili. In a separate pan, boil some diced vegetables. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add to it some chopped onions and cook until they are nicely caramelized. Next, add salt and hing. Then add some semolina and cook until it slightly browns. Add some chili powder. Now add the boiling water with veggies slowly while constantly stirring. Put the lid on for about 5 to 7 minutes and there you go. Your steaming hot upma is ready in no time. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander and enjoy. Next, we will make red velvet idli. No, it doesn't taste like a red velvet cake but uses the same ingredient which gives it the bright red color, beetroot. In a bowl, we will take instant rava idli mix. Now add curd to it. We will blend together 2 small peeled and diced beetroots and 2 cloves of garlic. Add the velvety paste to the batter and mix nicely. Grease the idli molds and fill with batter. In a hollow vessel, boil some water and steam the idlis with the lid on. Lastly, we will make besan chilas 2 ways. We'll start off by chopping some vegetables. Take gram flour in 2 bowls. Add salt, chili powder, carom seeds and sesame seeds to both the bowls. The star ingredient of this recipe is spinach, which will make it super healthy. To 1 bowl, add some chopped spinach and green chilies with some water. To the blender, add some spinach, 2 cloves of garlic, chilies and blend to a smooth paste. Add this to the other bowl. Mix the contents of both the bowls and obtain a batter of required consistency. Grease a pan with oil. Spread the batter evenly and make small pancakes. Cook until brown. Then flip over and cook from the other side as well. Repeat the cooking process using the green batter as well. Tada! Our super healthy spinach besan chilas aka Hulk pancakes are ready. Enjoy with mint or tamarind chutney. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching and do come back for more.